Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. My son loves to draw and color. It is his favorite hobby. However, he recently expressed that he didn't feel like he had enough colors to choose from. So we bought him this marker set from Ogeely, and he's been so thrilled with it because of the wide variety of color choices that he has. Another thing we love about this marker set is that each marker is dual tipped. So you have a wide tip and a thin. So whether he's drawing or coloring, he can decide which tip he wants. He likes to be able to have that option. This comes in a nice carrying case that keeps everything in place and orderly. These are alcohol markers, so they're a little bit easier to blend than his typical markers that he had. I've also been having a lot of fun with this set. I enjoy coloring, so sometimes we'll sit down and color together. In our opinion, you can never have too many colors to choose from when it comes to being creative, so we really come to love this set. And that's our point of view.